Hi guys! Sometimes for security reasons you may need to remotely log out of your Gmail account on another device. Subscribe to Guide Mentory and let's sort it out. So, open up your Gmail application and tap on your profile icon at the top right and select the account you wish to log out of. I wish to log out of this account. Once again, tap on the profile icon, tap on Google account. At the top of this pop-up, it takes you to the account settings. Now you need to scroll left on this bar to find the security tab. Tap on that. And now scroll down to your devices section. From here you can see where you signed in, so tap on that and find the device you wish to log out of. Let's say this one. And now just tap on sign out, confirm your action, and your session is terminated. That's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.